I'm not a practice management consultant, neither is anybody on my team. And I make that distinction because I think there's a lot of practice management consultants that can be focused on helping fix things in a practice that are broken after years. Right. And that's not our philosophy. We want to prevent those. So I always say to clients, I say to the industry, we're really good at preventing problems from happening, but we're not here to fix something that's like, you've been open for 4 or 5 years and it's like, hey, fix my thing. There may be things that are not fixable. Like you may have chosen the wrong location or the wrong demographics, the wrong zip code. You don't even have all these different elements, the wrong team, the wrong systems. That's really hard to fix. So we want to be able to help prevent those problems from happening by having a platform and having a foundation to build upon. And one of the big philosophical things that we have is we live by this element of what we call the 3 Ps, which is practice, profits, and purpose. And people have heard me speak on stage about this 3P philosophy, but it really governs everything that we do. Those 3 Ps in terms of practice and what we subscribe to is like having the physical elements, having the right funding, the right demographics, the right real estate, negotiating with confidence in those elements, even the right floor plan, the right physical space.